don't think of is future restrictions. Now, with these future restrictions, this is something you can also prepare for, right? We have restrictions now. Oahu County is very restricted in theirs. Most of the areas on Oahu and in Hawaii in general, you have certain zones you can buy. You have certain permits you have to acquire. And that doesn't mean those restrictions will stay forever, right? Or will stay the same forever. Now, a restriction that you get over right now, that you say you're grandfathered in, if you sell a home or if something changes, that restriction, that could go. That grandfather clause does not apply to everybody. It does not apply for all times. We've seen that happen many, many times throughout the years. Things just change. New governor, new mayor, new person in charge of the area, right? So even if you're falling within the rules, you have to have different exit strategies on the way out, right? These are ways to mitigate these issues. So for future restrictions, hey, will this still work as maybe a long-term rental? Will this still work as